let me show you how to build custom widgets in your app using Jotform AI. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to build custom widgets using Jotform AI. In this case, I'm going to tell it to build a dashboard using the AI. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and I'm going to jump over to my application. In this case, I'm going to use this employee app. So let's go ahead and edit this app right now. And this will take me to the app builder. Here we go. I am now in the app builder and I'm ready to kick off AI to build my custom widget. Now this is my current app right now, just to give you an idea of how it looks and what's available on this app. Several pages available, but there is no dashboard. And I want to add that widget to this app. So let's go ahead and kick off Poto AI here from Jotform. Let's go ahead and talk to it and tell it that we want a dashboard.
How can I help you?
Hi, I want to add a dashboard widget to my application. Can you build it for me, please?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm on it. Let me check that and get the widget built for you. Done. The dashboard widget is added to your app.
Here we go. It is now generating my widget with AI. Let's give this a few seconds to be available. Here we go. We got a dashboard with the HR and recruitment, learning development information, workspace services, employee rotation, and HR and recruitment orientation. So we got a dashboard built for our own use case. Now I just give it a plain description of what I wanted, but we can be really detailed and tell it what we actually want. So here we go. It is now built. So here we go. We can edit the AI widget here by selecting the option. We can continue making changes to this widget. So let's click on the edit AI widget and you can see it's now highlighted in the chat. So I can make changes by describing different things that I want to add to it. So it's really easy and practical. We got the options for this specific widget. So this was created via AI and the conditions will change based on the widget that you build. But it's really easy and practical to build a dashboard or a custom widget by just asking AI. So what are you waiting for? Tell Poto what you need and have it built by AI. So I hope you liked this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options in AI and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.